Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to check lock mechanism. We connect the plug here and we lock the door. Now it's locked, and then when you press the remote, this one have to move. So it makes noise but no move. I'm gonna put this lock, and then we check this one has to move when you lock and unlock with the remote. This one I can see, I press the lock, make noise, no move, it means it doesn't work. Okay, just disconnect this one, and I put another lock, and I connect the plug. I'm gonna lock the door is already locked. So after, when you press the remote, this one have to move. See, it moves. When we press the remote, if this one doesn't move, it's no good, no working. But when it's moved, and then the remote is working. And that's all. Thank you. Bye.